Sige, okay lang ha. Basic lang ha. So, kung i-compare na ako, kung mag-differentiate ka, say for example, na ako ay dt of t to the n, ang general definition na to kay multiply na to nino sa imong coefficient. So you have n, tapos t, and then n minus 1. No? That's the definition of basic operation nimo sa imong uh, derivative. Okay? Derivation or derivation. Now, for basic integration, this is actually sa tawag ani this integration is the sa tawag na it's the opposite of the derivative. So what you do is actually ang sign sa imong integration is actually this. Makita ka ganing nga sign plus yung symbol kay this one. Okay. Murag, what is the example? What is the derivative of what is the integration of x and dx? Okay? That's the symbol. Ang definition niya, look, ang derivative kay ang symbol kay kinino? Now, para consistent ako ang notation class, dili ko mo gamit og x kay t man ako gamit na ni, t man ako gamit na. So ako lang sa tawag ni i-parallel so that na ako t to the n and then ako dt. Okay? This is the symbol. Derivative na kay symbol nga nana, sign, integration na kay sign nga nan. And then natin kay dt always. Mag-uban kini sila class, kini o unsa nga variable ang imong i-integrate. Just like kini unsa imong gi-differentiate mo ni. Mo unsa imong gi-differentiate o asa nga variable nimo gi-differentiate ang isa ka expression. So in this case, unsa nga variable ang imong integrate? In this case, niya dt, so imong t, imong gi-integrate. Okay. Now, what is the definition? Ang definition niya is this. Ayong buhaton kay ang numerator kay adan nimo ang numerator ay ang power kay adan nimo og 1 n plus 1. Tapos himuon nimo og denominator n plus 1. Plus some constant na yun. Plus some constant. C is just a constant. Constant. Any constant. Formal lang ang definition. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to take note of this. So for example, kung ako'y integral of t dt. Let's use the definition. What is n here? Class, what is n here? Hello? Are you
N
with
plus
me?
1, sir. N plus 1.
No. So lataan mo dani, di ba kay imong t kay na power, ang power niya is n. Now sa imong general formula, this is your general form. Not formula, but then form. Every time makita ka ginani, so you have na kay power, imo lang ada ng power, imo yung denominator and then plus some constant. Now, sa to ang example dire, example here, kung sa n na to dani, ang sa power nimo sa t?
1, sir.
1. So therefore, here in this case, n is equal to 1, right? So what is the, gikan sa definition sa buhaton na to, so you have copy ang t, ang imong n, which is 1, adan nimo og 1, so what say mitabo?
2, sir.
Squared.
2. So t to the 2 and then over 2 plus c. So that's it. So the answer is 1/2 t squared plus some constant. That's the derivative of that. That's the integral of t dt. Okay? Kung makita mo ginani class, here. Another one. How about this integral of t squared dt? Can answer?
Is T
T cube,
to the
sir.
third.
T
Yes, sir.
cube over 2 plus C din, sir,
T
constant.
cube.
Over
Okay,
3.
so
Okay.
so nakita niyo ang definition class kung unsa imong power, mao pa imong denominator. Here. Sa imong power, mao pa imong denominator. Here. Tama? So this is actually 1/3 t cube. So, mora din inyong tema ng class na. Then, pwede na din mga combinations na dayon. Like, for example, combinations like i-combine ako ni, so integral of, pwede na ko integral of t plus t square, t square plus t dt. So, integral na. So, imong bato na distribute na yan. Algebra. You can always distribute this. So, marag, pwede din mo distribute pasulod, and then this one also, that one also. So, kung ato na i-distribute, so that would mean I have, okay, first term, pasulod na ko ni t square dt, and then I plus, right? So, I plus, pasulod na po na ko second term, so I have integral of t dt. Now, we've done this. So, this one, yung integral ani, this is example number 2. So, you have 1/3, okay, t cube. Okay. Akong butangan din na nag-plus, butangan ng constant na C1. Ako lang i-denote na C1. That would mean constant na siya aning first term ni mo. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, how about the second? Second is the example number 1. So, I have the integral for that is 1/2 t squared plus C2. Now, ang buhatan is, ako na nang i-rearrange, okay? By higher powers, so you have 1/3 t cube plus 1/2 t squared, and then ako plus C1 plus C2. Ako buhatan kay constant naman ng duha. So I can combine this into a single constant. So ang buhatan is 1/3 t cube plus 1/2 t squared plus C. Di man mag-matter class, constant naman gyapon na. C1 is a constant, C2 is a constant. So adding two constant will produce a constant. And then I denote that constant to be C. So this is the integral of this. Okay? And some other, kung makita mo yung integral of dt, sir, wala may t to the quadra, sir. So kung makita mo ginani class, ang answer ani is just equal to, mura man siya kwan class, murag, sa tawag ani, na kay murag total derivative and then na kay anti-differentiation. Ang tawag ko sa integration is anti-differentiation. So opposite siya sa derivative. So every time makita na kay total derivative, na kay anti-derivative here, ang answer is just equal to t. Okay? So kung every time makita ka integral of dt, that's just equal to t. Integral of dx, that's just equal to x. Ini nga constants. Okay? So, okay na tana?
Okay na, sir.
Okay na tana, class?
Okay na, sir.
Okay na, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now, balik na sa question ni Ms. Sheila Bulado. So now, let us use the previous example, class. Okay? Na atay expression. Gamiton tatong information na to sa previous example, sa previous consultation. Suppose na kay velocity, ang gihatag kay velocity, dili constant ang acceleration, tapos ang value sa imong velocity kay 2bt. Ang b nimo is equal to 5 meters per second square. I think mo na itong gilantaw ka ganina, no? Sa 6 nga, di ba? So now, kung tanongin ka, what is the find the position? Na kung pangutanon ka o find the acceleration, dali lang, no? Kaya acceleration, sa ano yung pag-solve ang acceleration, you just take the derivative, right? Okay, kung ansira ni mo ang acceleration, if you answer this, so acceleration is derivative second, di ba? Kay second order differentiation of the position. But then we know that we can rewrite this into the dt of dx dt. Are you with me? And we know that dx dt is nothing but the velocity. So therefore, I can rewrite this here into the dt of the velocity. But the velocity is given there. Velocity is just equal to d dt of the velocity, which is actually 2 dt. So therefore, ang imong acceleration, this is a constant, t is the only function class nga makuha nimong derivative or expression or parameter nga makuha nimong derivative. So you can rewrite this into this one. Okay, we've done this last consultations. Derivative of this is just equal to 2b. So that's the acceleration. So i-plug in lang nimo ang value sa b, and then boom, you have your acceleration. Okay? So wala problema ang acceleration. You just have to take the derivative. Now, ang concern nato is, what about the position? So dili na nato magamit ang integration nga ito ni-discuss ko ganina. Okay, so let's do that. So now, we know that velocity is equal to dx dt, right? Velocity is just the first order derivative of position with respect to time. And based on this given, this is just equal to 2bt. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, akong buhaton is na-focus on this expression. So you have dx dt is just equal to 2b times time. Now, position mo lang ipangita sa imo, no? So I can actually perform this akong buhaton kay I can multiply both sides by dt. So more siya algebra, no? But then you can treat this one as more algebra. Okay, so what you're going to do is more may tabo sa left hand side. Kung imo nang murag i-distribute dito, so that becomes dx, cancel ang dt, no? And you have 2bt dt. Are you with me? Are you with me? Okay. So now, akong buhaton dayon is, di ba? Ako raman ang gikuan ng distribute. Akong buhaton dayon is integrate na ko. Integrate this, nag-integrate ko sa left, integrate ko sa right. Nag-integrate ko with respect to x. Here, nag-integrate ko with respect to time. Okay, integrate na, no? Ako lang ibutangan ng integral na sign. So now, as practiced before, what is the integral of this?
X, sir.
That's just x. How about this? So this one, constant man, you know, 2 and b are just constant. So I can take that out. So I can 2. So, pwede rin ako na, sige, ano lang butangan 2b integral of t dt. What is the integral of t dt? Hmm?
1 dt. 1
Pila? You have,
1
2
so you
square,
have
t squared, sir. T
t
squared
square of,
over
over
2, sir.
okay. So naanta na yung constant na, no? Okay. So now, what I'm going to do is that, okay, murag ako ato nang giniglek ang constant na sa, okay, sige, ano na sa, no? At least makita ninyo, okay. So that would mean this becomes, I have here 2, I have here 1/2. So I can cancel out the 2, right? Na 2 sa numerator, na 2 sa denominator, so that becomes x is equal to bt square. So that's x. Kung butangan mo na siya constant class, butangan mo constant. So here, so kung tira, kaya naman ay constant, no? 2b, pag-integrate mo kay supposedly na kay t square over 2 plus some constant. No? So, ang may tabo kay kung imo na i-distribute, so na kay dt square plus 2bc. Now, you have 2b, this is constant, and this is constant. So, basically, pwede rin mo na siya isulat as another constant. So, na kay bt square. Ang gibuhat ani sa problem kay yan ang gibuhat imong yang gihimo nga a. So, that's why na kay a plus bt square. So, iya lang ning rename class ning tulo. Constant raman ay, constant raman ay, constant raman ay. Pwede iyang giname og a, which is a constant. And so, ang expression for x would be yung final. So, dani class, here, wala na to gincorporate ang constant, no? But then, kung strictohon ta mathematically, dapat kinagi siya constant na. So, maybe, okay, so, maybe, we just use this if ever dili ta mag-stricto. But then kung stricto to sa math, so you have a constant there. So you do this, that becomes x here sa left hand side. That should be equal to a bt square. So now, kung akong ipakita sa itong sixth consultation, I think atong gibuhat. Look at this. Muna akong gihatag, di ba? Muna akong gihatag. This is the b. There. This is the expression for the b. Speed is 2bt. Kung sino nakuha na to, gipangutan na to, what is the expression for the position? And then, ito nakuha kay kini. Diba? Yun sa to pag-solve, via integration. That's that. Kini. Amazing, right? So that's the power of calculus class. And that's the example wherein gusto na to mag-solve with the condition nga dili constant ang acceleration. Okay? So now, for ako lang gusto, in closing class, maritaw, in closing, may murag, nakuha naman nato ang ano, for motion, with sa tawag ni with non-uniform okay. So that would mean murag non-uniform or varying class para sa nailahi lugar nga acceleration. What is always true is this: v is equal to this one, and acceleration is equal to d squared x dt squared, or this is dv dt. Anak na. Gamit dayon ka o integration. And pwede po differentiation. Okay? So, I think those are the answers to your question. So, medyo dagan-dagan natag na class, dagan-dagan natag na take up. Dagan-dagan pero kulang pagyapon para sa coverage. But then those are the important points that you have to consider. Now, this week kay medyo busy ko sa trabaho sa ISO, but then Tuesday and Thursday kay murag ka ng dili ra kayo heavy akong schedule sa audit kay nga may ginabuhat na mo night task nga ginabuhat ni class. So I can also have, or I can spend time for another consultation next meeting. That would be Thursday. Na-concern si Warren, basa na ako, no? Sir, gusto na mo lang taon ng video in 1 day or more. Pero daghan gyud distraction, sir, basta ni nga platform online class. Kay imbis maglantaw na ay tayo nga maputol tungod sa pagsugo-sugo. Pero ginabuhat na mo ang tanan, sir, nga malantaw o makasabot yun sa tanan topic. Yes, okay, good. But then you still have to continue watching the videos. Kaya namanggoy response ka ganina nga wala pa nalantaw. So murag kwan siya. Murag na ay negative na consequence every time pag meeting nato niya, di wala niya malantaw ang video, so ma-defeat ang purpose nato sa consultation. Consultation is for clarifications and further na elaboration sa topics nga na-discuss sa mga videos. Okay? So we still have, okay, natay free fall. Free fall is dali raman lang, but then pwede na ito na-discuss next meeting. And then ang second order differentiation, 2D motion, which is projectile motion, dali raman po. You just have to combine the things that you've learned in one-dimensional horizontal motion o ang free fall motion. So that's basically projectile motion. And then, ang pinaka gusto na rin ako spend of time is ang Newton's laws. Kaya Newton's laws is the heart of mechanics. So if you will never understand or you will not appreciate Newton's laws, then maybe murag maglisod tag proceed sa higher na topics. Okay, because Newton's laws is the heart of mechanics. Okay, so you need to spend time studying Newton's laws, use the references, watch the videos, practice the exercises in the books, in the reference that I gave. And then, pag abot na to sa consultation on Thursday, you can throw questions as many as possible, as many as you want. Okay? I think let's end up there. I'll see you next meeting and have a blessed day.